Why are you being so awkward? You're so bad at this.
I have my face on. I'm so mad at this.
You're so bad at this.
Hi.
Why are you so awkward?
It's a fun day coming to the station. I did not see this coming. You were in the garden all day doing all the gardening. I thought you were gonna send something, and I was like, "Don't! I'm already spending enough money on this thing. Like, I don't want to spend more."
She's been asking me, "Mom, I miss you. Daddy and Mom both come.
Yeah.
I said, "How can we go? We have to go to wedding, and we are going convention. All this, how can I do?" Raja, he said, "No, poor girl. She's asking you go. Go."
That was a major surprise, guys. Good. Full house this birthday. It is birthday eve, and we're having barbecue at Casa de la. I don't even know how to put all three of our names together. Lindeeply. Kylinzica.
Oh, I like
Thank you. There's gonna be a barbecue today. We're gonna go to dinner and go out for a bit, and apparently my mom's here. Apparently all of our moms are here. Yay! And we are going to celebrate #Independence Day. Yay!
Because I don't want to be.
Mom, we're having a barbecue.
I know, but we can eat. This whole thing is in the chicken. Both whole night I made it, so it will stay longer. And I made one vegetable curry also, eggplant, Deepica.
Yep, got it. Cool. We're having a barbecue.
Well, I did
You guys, my friend Rahul's here and he's so sweet. Yay! And it says Happy Independence Day. This is amazing. Mom is steaming Rahul's jacket because this is what moms do. They're the best. They come into town and steam. I got myself a birthday gift. For once in my life, and my mom keeps saying that she's getting it for me, but I'm an independent woman who can buy things for herself. I don't own anything Gucci, and I just really want to say Gucci Gang. The whole purpose is to wear this and have an Instagram caption that says Gucci Gang. Yay! Oh my god.
Oh, that is so cute, huh?
Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang.
Very
Mom, I was gonna yell at you because I don't need your sorry,
No, this
but this
one I
is
got
actually real pretty. Thank you, Mom. Tonight is dinner at Catch, and then we're gonna go to Delilah's. Dinner is with Rahul, Kylie, and now apparently my mom because she's in town.
I'm drinking today.
It's water and lime. Don't let her fool you. She doesn't even know what alcohol is.
Shubhakakshalu. Deepika, puttinarojju shubhakakshalu.
My mother is teaching Kylie right now how to say happy birthday in Telugu. I've never said that in my life. Wake up!
She won't wake up now, I know that. But and also she won't let me talk by phone. That's the problem.
Why is everybody yelling?
Get up.
Because it's your birthday!
Happy birthday, Ra.
Happy birthday! I'm scared. You're gonna pop someone's.
Happy birthday!
Okay, I can pretend like I did it. Happy birthday to me. Someone's here. Hi.
I'm here to do makeup.
Oh my god, really? Yeah. Glam Squad came through.
Oh my god, that's a good idea. Vanilla ice cream sandwiches?
Yeah.
Jeez, you guys are so creative. So this is done now?
This is done, yeah.
Oh, okay. Mama is making this.
OOTD for my B-Day. Actually, I'm gonna put on some heels, but you know, shout out to Glam Squad for coming through and making my life so amazing this morning. And now it is barbecue time. Yay! 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 Okay. Oh, no, she's not. Happy 4th of July. Everybody say hi. Second to none. You hate this. There's cupcakes, there's mac and cheese, there's pineapple, and there's chips, and there's humans. Michelle, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Nazish, say hi. Oh, okay, cool guy. Hey, Mom. Hi. We got our grill master in the house. Yes. We have some watermelon. Say hi, Rama.
Hello.
You guys, I'm so happy this cornhole is being used. I didn't think it would be. #Independence Day. Yes. Over here, we're gonna have some champagne pong. Over here, we're gonna have some flip cup. It's gonna get intense. It's gonna be amazing. And you know what? I weirdly was stressed. I was like, I don't know how to throw a party. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, and there's a Polaroid wall. We're gonna do some cute Polaroids. Jasper's in the house with her. Perfect. I need a photo with that dog in that outfit. Lily's back and she brought a mom. Yeah. Two moms. Matthew and Yoli are in the house. Okay, what is in this? I am like so excited right now.
Ready?
Oh my god. Yes. Hey cutie, you enjoying that watermelon?
I'll be the ready to go.
Exactly. You know what though? That shit.
Yes.
It matters.
Here we go.
Girls win, NBD, we're the best. Boys drool.
Happy birthday.
When your barbecue has a guest who brings mangoes over, you know Mama Pundu's in the house and influencing. Mom, you're gonna die. Look what my friend Natasha brought.
Oh my God, mangoes.
I'm taking you.
What is this for?
Deepica just want me to take the video, little
YouTube.
shots.
Such a big YouTuber.
I got a squad. It's my mother.
Rama is here. I'm gonna take Rama and little Dudu Gadu. You have to celebrate Deepica's birthday.
Renee, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
How is today?
Amazing. It was just zen, and this couch feels like heaven.
So live your life. Hey.
Save your voice.
I know. Day after, people. It is the day after.
Day 1 of 29.
Day 1 of 29, and what are we doing? Not working out. So we are going to the Ivy right now for brunch because Shanali said she wants to go to a place that's like a thing. Tourist, just kidding. Brunch time. Cheers. I'm like loaded.
They're high maintenance but chill.
I'm chill. I'm like a chill girl. Okay, we are now at the Waldorf rooftop. DJ, how do you feel about being here?
Loving it.
Yeah, but let's talk about that rosé. We just have to say that rosé was worth it.
Isn't it amazing?
Can we all be rude?
Can we be a crew without crew?
Come on, knock on They don't know crew.
They don't know crew.
Come on, knock on our door. We've been waiting for this.
You guys, this is making me really sad. I might actually cry.
Don't go though. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. We're now going to Chakotay's for happy hour with all the mommies. How was your celebrity tour?
It's so good. I really enjoyed today, Deepica. Bottom of my heart, I'm telling you. Because it is really good. Nice weather, nice food. Oh my God.
Where'd y'all go to lunch?
Kylie did that. No, the salad is so good.
So excited. She's like,
Salad
Raj
is
always makes
so
me go and get
good.
Indian food.
He does. My dad always makes her go get Indian food. Oh, it makes me so happy. New plan. We're not going to Chakotay's. We're going to Gracias Madre. And we're rolling very deep. Wow, tea. How much do you guys love LA?
I love this trip, really. I enjoyed very good company. Look at this beautiful house.
I'm crying. This is so cute.
Someone that you like, and they want someone close to you that you can
She's explaining how to use WhatsApp to Kylie's mom. How cute is this situation? Also, I woke up with a pimple because I don't sleep with my makeup. Her whole life, she only hung out with like Indian moms, and it's like making her heart warm to hang out with people that aren't, and recognizing that there is commonalities between them, even though they're not the same race. She's opening up her eyes. I love it. Why are you wrapping a gift when I'm literally right here? I don't need a gift. Everything you
love it. When you see it,
I'm nervous.
Am I?
That is so beautiful.
Oh, that's Kylie. You go with that.
Why she do? She has to give.
Oh, sweet.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Oh my God.
It's her business and their earrings that she got. I thought they were like a subtle promotion.
Very sweet.
A subtle plug. I was thinking the promotion.
Oh, that is so cute.
We have to hug.
Oh my gosh.
Deepica.
Of course.
I get emotional about my business. I'm an emotional wreck. Why am I like being a baby? Oh my God, look at my makeup. Oh God. It's just so crazy because I feel like this birthday was all about not making it a thing. Like I literally wrote in the invitation, I was like, this is not a thing. This is not a thing, people. But I feel like that's what made it a thing because I didn't care. All I wanted to do was be with people I cared about. And that's what it was. There was no extra anything. It was people who mattered to me showed up and we had a great time. It's like, what am I even sad about? Like I have incredible people in my life. I'm very blessed. My mother surprised me. My roommates helped make that surprise happen. We had an amazing barbecue and like, I'm very lucky. I'm excited for 29 because I have a lot of goals and I have a lot of really solid people around me to help make that happen. And it's gonna happen, man. It's gonna be a good year. So 28, thank you for being amazing. But 29, you go be better. Goodbye.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. My Pandu birthday.